carry-on GB120, carryonusa.com. We brought it here to Carpenter Farms. We're going to show you some of the surfaces this can go on. Obviously, it's going to work best on concrete, hard surfaces. We have different grasses out here. This is still slag we're going to ride on. We're showing you this because this might not be the scooter to buy if you're looking for something to ride around a large property. This is about 10 acres, but this scooter can handle a lot of stuff, but it's awesome for putting in and out the car or traveling with. So I'm gonna ride on it. It's very smooth on this surface. Ain't no question. This is a mixture of grass. It's thick in some places and thin. It's riding all over it pretty decently. Not really bogging down at all. But if you're a smaller person, you'd probably be okay. But if you're a larger person, this will probably tear up the motor over and over if you're more thicker than this. I have some grass in the back that's extremely thick. And then up here, we're gonna be on some steel slag. So this is like metal. It's heavy. It's not too smooth down. I'm gonna run the tractor over it later. And it's bumpy, but it can handle riding on this for a period of time. I wouldn't say I would want to ride on this every day to go to my mailbox. If you have a steel slag or crush and run, it can do it. I'm not going full blast, but it's not that smooth. I mean, it's smooth, but it's not the best. But it does all right. And I'm gonna take you to the backyard and show you some thick grass that I don't really suggest. All right. So back here, there's chicken house. It can make it all the way over here. Make it down towards your chicken coop. Seems to be fine. You know, those are some big rocks. I just hit it, made it all right. But this grass is where it kind of worries me. So I did cut this the other day. It's a thick Georgia grass, I believe. And it's going through it. What you're hearing is the anti-tipper spinning. And it actually surprised me. I didn't think it would make it through this. This was cut down to a 2-inch. It's not soggy right now. It's not too dry. It's not too soggy, but I'm surprised. It can do it. There's Harry. Look at those sticks I just rode over. Now we're back on my son's little 4-wheeler trail and try to avoid some bigger sticks, but I am riding over some other sticks. So it's a little hilly right here. We're going up the hill and it's some places I just kind of bogged down. Now this is a big root. So this is what I'm getting to, is being careful if you're going to use this outside as your ultimate terrain scooter. So it did give me a little bit of a issue. What you would have to do is just kind of get over that spot if you're able to do this. Now, if you're not able to get up and walk like this to get it out of a spot, really the carry-on's not a good scooter for you anyways. It's a great scooter. I'm going up a pretty steep incline. Not really sure, probably like an 18 degree, 20 degree, which we don't suggest it, but it can do it. And it's struggling, but it's not made really for this. Andre is riding on the Pursuit too, and he's doing just fine. Now, back onto more of a level ground, it's doing great. It's about a 20 degree incline slope right here. It's doing actually okay. I just got to avoid some. So if it makes it up this, I'll be very happy and surprised. And it is climbing, but that's a steep incline. Louie, come here. Come here. All right, so this is the carry-on GB120. I love this scooter. It did excellent for what I'm doing, but I wouldn't make this your primary outdoor scooter. I really wouldn't. But what's nice about it is the seat's very lightweight. It's 12 pounds. The battery can be removed very easily, and you can take this inside and charge it. So this folds down. This folds down. It's got a fold-up basket. You can put this on your bumper, roll it into your car. It's about 47 pounds right now, but you never pick up this much weight. You use leverage all the time. It's got lights on it, USB charging port. Very nice scooter, a lot cheaper than buying a lift. If you do have a larger scooter, you're gonna love it. Easy to get into small compact cars. You're gonna love it. That's the GB120. It did excellent out here at Carpenter Farms.